Bullish Theta organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.35 and $7.31 by 2030. Market examiners accept Theta could reach $3.35 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 59 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital currency is likewise called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two sorts of hubs on the Theta organization: standard hubs and asset-rich gatekeeper hubs. Normal hubs procure rewards for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire much bigger prizes for checking blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge reserving. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client instead of at an incorporated area. This lessens dormancy and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant element of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by disseminating traffic among different ways at the same time. How Theta functions. The primary thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share data transfer capacity and registering assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more proficient and decentralized approach to real-time video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can lessen inactivity and work on streaming quality. While Theta's mainnet deals with an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards, the stage gives great streams low dormancy, and clients can acquire prizes for giving transfer speed assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has major areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First of all, Theta intends to be more proficient than conventional video web-based stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can lessen both idleness and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share transmission capacity and registering assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less powerless against restriction or assault. At last, Theta additionally accompanies its local token, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage or marked for remunerations. Theta value figure. The Theta organization vows to alter the manner in which we transfer video by decentralizing information conveyance and offering clients compensations for sharing their data transmission assets. The local digital currency of the organization is Theta token, which can be utilized to approve exchanges and stake in the organization. I'll see Theta's cost expectations for 2022 and then some. Theta has proactively taken incredible steps since its send-off. The mainnet has gone live and sent off big business conferencing with Samsung VR. These triumphs have prompted a positive cost pattern for Theta all through the greater part of 2020 and 2021. Looking forward, there are a few impetuses that could keep on driving the cost of Theta vertical. To begin with, the reception of 5G will work on streaming quality and lead to additional top-notch streams being conveyed over Theta's decentralized organization. Second, as additional organizations embrace Endeavor conferencing fueled by Theta, interest for Theta will increment. At last, as the crypto market keeps on developing, financial backers will progressively see Theta as a decent long-haul speculation because of its solid basics. In view of these elements, we accept that Theta's cost is supposed to reach $5 by 2022. In any case, it is vital to take note of that cryptographic money costs are profoundly unpredictable and possibly impacted by various outer factors like worldwide financial circumstances or guideline changes. Our expectation ought to be considered alongside other market examinations while settling on venture choices. The ongoing economic situations are bullish for Theta, and the cost is supposed to keep on ascending before long. I accept that Theta is a wise venture at its ongoing value because of its utilization case in the video real-time industry as well as its accomplished group. I anticipate that it should arrive at new highs in 2023 as additional individuals become mindful of its true capacity. Theta organization current cost. Theta organization is as of now worth 74 cents USD. Theta has moved 0.18% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,940,415. Theta organization is as of now positioned 48 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $745,473,071 USD. Using the overall strength file, Moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above. We can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Theta organization value expectation 2022. Theta organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Theta cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.12. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.04 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Theta is supposed to have a base worth of 89 cents. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Theta Organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.86. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.49 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.64. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.61 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.39 and a low of $2.24 in 2024. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Theta Organization effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.35, with a base cost of $2.98 and a typical cost of $3.13. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.88 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.73 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a most extreme value worth of $4.10. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.62. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.85. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.47. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.22 and a yearly cost close above $5.59 in 2028. Theta Organization